Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Zoom, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Go to the Zoom website at zoom.us. Look for the sign up, it's free button on the homepage. Click on the sign up, it's free button. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in your valid email address and click sign up. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Zoom. Open the email and click on the verification link. This will take you to the Zoom registration page. Fill in your first and last name in the appropriate fields. Create a secure password that meets the requirements outlined on the page. Re-enter your password to confirm it. Select your country or region from the drop-down menu. Click on the Continue button to proceed. You may have the option to invite colleagues to Zoom, which is optional. If you wish to skip this step, click the Skip this step button. Once you've completed these steps, you will see a confirmation of your registration. You can now log into Zoom using your email and password. Congratulations! You are now registered for Zoom. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.